Once upon a time in a peaceful village, there lived a little rabbit named Ruby. Ruby was known for her kind heart and helping nature. One sunny day, while hopping through the forest, she spotted a squirrel named Sammy, who was struggling to carry a heavy basket of nuts. Ruby rushed over and asked, "May I help you, Sammy?" Sammy sighed with relief and gratefully accepted Ruby's offer. Together, they managed to carry the heavy basket to Sammy's home. Filled with gratitude, Sammy said, "Thank you, Ruby. You're a true friend." Ruby smiled and replied, "Helping others brings joy to my heart. It's important to lend a hand whenever we can." Word of Ruby's kindness spread throughout the village, and soon, animals of all kinds sought her help. Whether it was gathering food, fixing broken nests, or comforting those in need, Ruby was always there. One day, a little bird named Bella approached Ruby with a worried look. Bella's nest had fallen from a tree during a storm, leaving her eggs exposed and vulnerable. Ruby knew she had to act quickly. She rallied her friends, and they worked together to build a new nest high above the ground, safe from harm. As the grateful Bella settled into her new home, she exclaimed, "Thank you, Ruby. Your kindness saved my babies." Ruby smiled, realizing that by helping others, she not only made a difference but also inspired those around her to do the same. The moral of the story is that kindness is a powerful force that spreads happiness. By helping others, we create a better world for everyone.